Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most essential foundations of English grammar, tenses. Understanding how and when to use each tense correctly can significantly improve one's writing, speaking, and comprehension skills. Let's begin with the basic structure of English tenses. In English, tenses are used to express the time of an action. There are three main tenses: present, past, and future. And each of these is further divided into four aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Let's begin with the simple tenses. Simple present tense we use to talk about daily routines, universal truths, and repeated actions. Let's see examples for how to write these aspects of tenses in positive, negative, and question sentences, question formats. She writes every morning. She does not write every morning. Does she write every morning? Simple past tense. It is used to describe completed actions in the past. She wrote a letter yesterday. She did not write a letter yesterday. Did she write a letter yesterday? Simple future tense. They are used for predictions, spontaneous decisions, or promises. She will write a letter later. She will not write a letter later. Will she write a letter later? With this, we are moving to continuous tenses. Present continuous tense. This form is used to describe actions happening right now or around the current moment. She is writing a story now. She is not writing a story now. Is she writing a story now? Past continuous tense. It describes an action that was in progress at a specific moment in the past. She was writing when I called. She was not writing when I called. Was she writing when I called? Future continuous tense. It describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. She will be writing at 5 p.m. She will not be writing at 5 p.m. Will she be writing at 5 p.m.? With this, we are moving to perfect tenses. Present perfect tense. This tense links past actions to the present. It shows that something has just happened or has relevance to now. She has written 3 articles today. She has not written 3 articles today. Has she written 3 articles today? Past perfect tense. It refers to an action that was completed before another past action. She had written the letter before noon. She had not written the letter before noon. Had she written the letter before noon? Future perfect tense. It refers to a future action that will be completed before a specified time. Like, she will have written the letter by noon. She will not have written the letter by noon. Will she have written the letter by noon? With this, we are moving to perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense shows an action that has started in the past and is still going on. She has been writing for 2 hours. She has not been writing for 2 hours. Has she not been writing for 2 hours? Past perfect continuous tense. It emphasizes the duration of a past action that occurred before another past action. She had been writing for an hour when I arrived. She had not been writing for an hour when I arrived. Had she been writing for an hour when I arrived? Future perfect continuous tense. It shows the duration of an action that will be ongoing up to a point in the future. She will have been writing for an hour by the time he returns. She will not have been writing for an hour by the time he returns. Will she have been writing for an hour by the time he returns? Tenses help us express when something happens and in what manner, whether it's ongoing, completed, or expected to continue. Choosing the right tense depends on time, context, and aspect. Practice regularly and try forming your own examples using each tense to master their use. Thank you for watching this lesson on the usage of tenses in English grammar. And as always, keep practicing and your fluency will follow. See you in the next video.